I received the Dooney white noise machine. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, what's in the box? There's a little instruction guide. And then the machine. Oops, dropped something there. But it is coming up. Super cute. I like the wood detail. It's a very light machine. This is the bottom. All the buttons there. It comes with the cord and the jack, or whatever you want to call it, the plug. It also has a headphone jack that you can plug in right there. This is it on the table. I sleep better with a fan, so I'm going to try it out tonight with my girl.